means hello, so sweet and bright. Say it with a smile, fill the world with light. xuésheng means student, eager to learn. With lǎoshī as teacher, knowledge you earn. Ni Hao, hello, hear the happy sound. xuésheng, the student learning all around. lǎoshī, the teacher guiding us through. With words like these you'll know Chinese too. Add a question with mom, you see. It's a simple way to ask, is it for me? But don't forget boo, it means no, it's true. A clear answer just for you. Ni Hao, hello, hear the happy sound. xuésheng, the student learning all around. lǎoshī, the teacher guiding us through. With words like these you'll know Chinese too. So wave Ni Hao, greet a face so new. xuésheng and lǎoshī, learning me and you. Ask with mom if you wonder and play. With boo say no if it's not okay. When you greet your teacher, just wave and smile. Say Ni Hao lǎoshī for a little while. Use smile for questions when you have a thought. And boo means no, I'd rather not. Ni Hao, hello, hear the happy sound. xuésheng, the student learning all around. lǎoshī, the teacher guiding us through. With words like these you'll know Chinese too.
Ni Hao, Ni Hao,
Ni Hao means hello,
学
so
生
sweet and bright.
学生
Say it with a smile,
老
fill the
师
world with light.
老师
xuésheng means student,
吗
eager to learn.
吗
With lǎoshī as teacher, knowledge you earn.
不
Ni Hao, hello, hear the happy sound. xuésheng